Yes, it does not come close to the original biryani that is made with rice in taste, but this is a different dish in itself. And it has its own benefits. It is weight loss friendly for two reasons. Number one, oats has fiber, and number two, you can't eat a lot of oats biryani. This is a gluten-free biryani. You have to use steel cut oats for this.
First, we will wash the oats and then keep them soaked for 15 minutes. Then we will drain all the water. We will take a pan and add ghee to it. Deep fry some shallots till they are crispy brown and then set them aside. In the remaining ghee, we will add our whole spices, shallots, ginger garlic paste, and fry everything for some time till they are golden. Then we will add 2 green chillies, chopped tomatoes, and once the tomatoes are half done, we will add salt, turmeric, cumin powder, coriander powder, and fry the masala nicely for some time. Then we will add some yogurt and the chicken. Mix everything, close the lid, and cook for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we will chop some coriander and mint and add them along with garam masala. Mix everything and cook for another 15 minutes with the lid closed. At this point, the chicken will be half cooked and have a nice little burn like this. Now we add the oats, water, the deep fried shallots, and once it comes to a boil, we will close the lid and cook for about 30 minutes. After which we remove the lid and let it cool down for a bit, and our delicious chicken oats biryani is ready. It smells so good. Let's start plating along with some salad and yogurt. The taste is so amazing. If you liked this, then share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such healthy and tasty recipes.